Hello dear students, most welcome to all of you in this class of English. It is very nice to meet you again in the videos that we are going to study right now. And dear students, in this video we are going to study a very interesting poem of Rabindranath Tagore named The Last Bargain. Bargain, you know, that means ki it's kind of agreement where two parties try to promise each other to do something. And it's a kind of contract, we can say, that they try to agree with each other on a certain kind of amount. So dear students, we would like to know, हमें जान पाएंगे कि जो समझौता एक बार्गेन है, ये दो पार्टियों के बीच में एक तरह का एग्रीमेंट होता है जिसमें कि वो एक किसी खास अमाउंट, किसी खास प्राइस पर, ऑन अ स्पेशल प्राइस और ऑन अ स्पेशल अमाउंट दे ट्राई टू बी एग्री टू डू एनी वर्क, मतलब किसी भी अमाउंट पर ये दूसरे के लिए काम करने के लिए तैयार होते हैं. So dear students, in this poem we would like to understand when Rabindranath Tagore, he is a very famous poem, and just he has described about three different times and about four different persons. When he goes to these four different persons, how do they react? We shall come to know कि एक बार्गेन जो होता है कि इसमें किस तरह का दिखाया गया है कि वो किस तरह का बार्गेन जो उन्हें पसंद आता है और वो किस तरह के बार्गेन पे अपने आप को बहुत ही फ्री फील करते हैं और किस तरह के पर्सन उन्हें मिलते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी हैव कम टू नो कि ही मीट्स विद डिफरेंट पर्सन ऑफ डिफरेंट कैटेगरी and he tries to talk with them, he tries to work for them, but at the last point he is very happy to make a bargain with a child who was playing just near the sea. So dear students, let's try to understand what is going on here. First of all, if we try to see the introductory paragraph of the poem, we shall find out that the poet is describing about the bargain. He is asking a question and he is trying to tell all of us what is a bargain. So first of all, when he strikes a bargain, but it becomes worthless, he tries to make his bargain again and again, but finally at the last bargain, when he hired for nothing, but he becomes very happy, as it has been done. Done never with him. So dear students, we shall come to know what is a bargain over here and why does it become the best for him. Let's read the poem. Come and hire me, I cried, while in the morning I was walking on the stone-paved road. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. So dear friends, here if we try to see the first stanza, we are coming to know that the poet is presenting his desire that he wants to be hired by someone. Suddenly he notices that one king was coming from his opposite side, and he says him that he will bargain, he will hire me with his power. But when I try to count his power, it becomes like zero. It has no value. So he finds that the king went away and the poet didn't pay any attention on his words. Now dear students, let's try to move second stanza. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. So dear friends, it is the condition of midday and all the doors were shut. The writer was wandering through a narrow lane, that means कि कहते हैं कि बड़े संकुचित गलियारे से he was walking, मतलब कि जिस गांव में, जिस घर में पोएट मूव कर रहा था, वहाँ की जो गलियां थीं बहुत ही सकरी थीं, दरवाजे सारे बंद थे. Suddenly he finds that one old man came out of his house and he has a bag of gold. He thought a lot and said that he will hire me with that money. मतलब कि जो गोल्ड थे उससे वो पोएट को हायर करेगा, किराए पर लेगा काम करने के लिए. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. What happens कि वो अपना क्वाइन जो होता है उसे काउंट करता है, लेकिन राइटर को शायद ये हैप्पी फील नहीं होता. What is the reason? It is unknown, but the writer moves away from there. Now, dear students, we would like to move towards next stanza, next page. It was evening. The garden haze was all aflower. Haze means you can say all the corner side or the boundary side of the garden, and it was decorated with flowers. The fair maid came out and said, "I will hire you with a smile." Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. Now, friends, here's the condition. The poet was moving towards the garden, and he finds a fair maid. Maid means, a bachelor girl. That means unmarried girl, and she was very beautiful. So she said that she will try to hire me with her smile. And her smile was very beautiful, like a yellow in color, and it was melted like a tears. But she went back alone into the dark. That means the writer was not willing to be hired with her. Now, dear students, we would like to move to next stanza. Let us see. The sun glistened on the sand, and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. From henceforward that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. Now, student, what happens? It is the condition of the evening, and कि जो सूरज की जो किरणें होती हैं, सन साइंस, वो बालू पर रेत पर चमक रही थी, और जो सी की वेव्स थी वो उसी की तरफ टूट रही थी, उसी के रास्ते की तरफ जो हवाएं थी. एक जो बच्चा होता है वो शेल्स के साथ, मतलब जो कौड़ियां होती हैं समुद्र में, उनके साथ वो बैठा खेल रहा होता है. As soon as he saw the poet, he just raised his head, and he came to know why the poet has come to him. So he told him that I have nothing, so only I will hire you for nothing. मतलब that means he was not able to pay anything. वो कुछ पे नहीं कर सकता था. उसने कहा कि मैं आपको कोई भी चीज़ नहीं दूंगा, फिर भी मैं हायर करूंगा. वहाँ से क्या होता है कि समथिंग इज देयर इनसाइड दैट चाइल्ड, कि जो राइट पोएट हैं वो उससे फैसिनेटेड हो जाते हैं, और वो जो बार्गेन होता है वो स्ट्रक कर जाता है बच्चे के खेल में, एंड मेड हिम अ फ्री मैन. दैट मीन्स कि अब तक टिल नाउ द राइटर वाज वांटिंग हियर एंड देयर टू बी हायर्ड, और बच्चे के को देखकर कुछ ऐसा फील होता है पोएट को कि वो उस पर बिना किसी पैसे पर भी हायर होने के लिए विवश हो जाते हैं, या फिर अच्छा खुशी होती है और अब अपने आप को फ्री फील करते हैं. So friends, this was the clear explanation of the poem The Last Bargain, created by Rabindranath Tagore. So you will need to answer question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very easy for you to write the answers of this poem created by Rabindranath Tagore. Meet you in next video with the next topic. See you. Bye.